speaking, but for hunting, grooming, and even mimicking human speech. Welcome to the fascinating realm of animal tongues. Meet the chameleon, a slow-moving reptile with a lightning-fast 20-inch tongue that can catch insects in the blink of an eye. Giraffes have tongues that are not only impressively long but also dark-colored to protect against the sun while they reach for leaves. The Gila monster uses its forked tongue to smell in 3 dimensions, helping it locate prey with incredible precision. Pangolins have tongues that are connected to the bottom of their ribcage, allowing them to snatch up insects with ease. Sun bears channel their inner Winnie the Pooh with tongues that can reach up to 10 inches, perfect for extracting honey from beehives. Hippos have giant tongues with mixed features, helping them digest grass with their unique 3-chambered stomachs. Penguins have tongues covered in bristles, making them perfect for grabbing wriggly krill and fish. Red-bellied woodpeckers have tongues that wrap around their skulls when not in use, ready to nab grubs hiding deep in trees. Tongue-eating parasites replace a fish's tongue, becoming a substitute tongue that feeds on the fish's blood. Lions use their spiny tongues to groom their fur, delivering cleansing saliva that cools them as it evaporates. Giant leaf-tailed geckos flash their bright red tongues and release a piercing distress call when threatened. Frogs have tongues that can grab objects faster than the human eye can blink, thanks to their unique anatomy. Blue-tongued skinks use their vibrant tongues to startle predators, puffing up their bodies and hissing. Eagles have tongues with backward-facing barbs, helping them swallow prey and keep their young safe from choking hazards. Alligator snapping turtles use their pink tongues as fishing lures, tricking fish into thinking they're worms. Parrots mimic human speech by adjusting their nimble tongues to modulate sound from their voice boxes. Emperor tamarins flick their tongues when displeased, using this gesture along with calls and facial expressions to communicate. Flies use their labellum, a hairy appendage, to taste food, slurping up dissolved food with their straw-like proboscis. Giant anteaters use their 2-foot-long tongues to eat up to 30,000 ants and termites a day, thanks to sticky saliva and backward-pointing spines. Chameleons' tongues transform into suction cups to catch prey, drawing it back into their mouths for a crushing bite. Hummingbirds use their tongues as elastic micropumps to slurp up nectar, a process that lets them feed at incredible speeds. Giraffes can even use their long tongues to clean out their ears, showcasing their incredible versatility. The Gila monster's Jacobson's organ analyzes chemical information, helping it detect nearby prey. Pangolins' tongues can measure up to 16 inches, longer than their head and body combined. Sun bears' lengthy tongues have earned them the nickname, honey bear, for their ability to extract honey. Hippos' evolutionary history and herbivorous diet explain the mixed features of their tongues. Penguins' bristle-covered tongues lack taste buds but are perfect for grabbing slippery prey. Woodpeckers' tongues are made of bone, cartilage, and muscle, evolving independently in several bird species. Lions' tongues have a useless version of the gene for tasting sweetness, focusing instead on grooming. From catching prey to mimicking speech, animal tongues are truly remarkable.